Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and here I am filming another video for a quick and easy card. I am using the Floral Frames and this is the one that has really cool die sets, coordinated die sets that is called Foliage Frame. And so this is what I really like about those is that you get 2 leaves of each of the leaves that they have here. And so really you can cut a lot of these at one time, so that's pretty cool. The other thing to know is that this image does not cut out this. Okay, so it gives you a layout like this, and you can see I already cut mine, but you can see it doesn't fit that one, but it gives you a good frame with foliage on that, so that's pretty cool. And you do have these two. We'll be cutting these 2 flowers, so really nice set. And again, when you purchase them together, these two, you get it on a 10% discount because you're getting the bundle price, so pretty cool bundle to have. So anyway, I've done a lot of the steps this time because I really wanted to make it really quick, and I had already stamped the images and I have already die cut them, and I want to show you how to use the watercolor pencils. I had already stamped these with the Stay Zone so that it resists a little bit of water. And the reason I am doing this like that is because it takes me a little bit longer to do the coloring. And so I just wanted to show you how easy it is to color with the watercolor pencils, but I didn't want to take a lot on this video where you're gonna just seeing me coloring. Now the thing that I do is usually I go over the edges or the area where I think I want to have the darker color, and I'm just going with a watercolor pencil. Now this is the one, and I'll show you the pack in a second, but this is the first set of watercolors that we brought in last catalog, I believe. And now I know beginning August, I believe, there's going to be the second release of watercolor pencils. So the Stampin' Up's coming up with even more colors on these, and these are super easy to use. So they come like that. This is the pack number 1, and I know there's pack number 2 now. So now once you have it that way, I'm going to take a little bit of my watercolor, and you can see I'm just pulling the color inside. Now it will be great if you use, let me use another one. This seems to have a lot of water. Let me just squeeze on this one because I want to have the water but not a lot. And there you go. There we go. And you can see how it pulls the color or it blends the color in. So you don't have to color the whole thing as you saw me. You just have to pull a little bit of the color. Now if you want it darker, you can go back with the pencil and add more color to it. Like say that I want to have a little bit more of color here. So I will go and put more. And I'll go back. You can, and I tried to do like circles, and I don't know why, but I'm just pulling the color in so it kind of blends. And I'll show you in a second a close up. Are you seeing? Because I know it's really tiny, and you might not be seeing well here. So. Alright, so let me just show you. And so this is how it looks. Like, so you see a little bit of the darker edges, and so that's pretty much it. Now, when I do these, I also like adding a little bit of Wink of Estella because I like the shimmery look, you know me. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that, and I'll show you in a bit how it looks. Adding the Wink of Stella, it's so easy. It's one of those tools. It's not expensive. I think it's like $8 or so. It's not expensive, and it lasts you a long way. And the effect that I'm gonna show you one with and one without, and you're gonna see the difference. I mean, really, this one has a Wink of Stella, and you can see it kind of shimmers, and see this one. It adds a lot to it. So honestly, you have to go for one of these. Really, you have to. Because it just adds so much to your cards, and it's so easy. It's a simple step that you just add, and it makes a big difference on your projects. All right, so I think now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead. When you're using with Wink of Stella, make sure you kind of clean it, because you saw how it kind of pick up a little bit of that color. And you stop the minute you see there's no more color in it. So we're ready to use it the next time. Always do that, because if you forget, then when you're blending the next time, you're going to put the color in it. If you're using a lighter color, then you're going to have like a smush. So you might not want to have that. So anyway, now for the card, I have seafoam, soft seafoam. And this is 8.5 by 5.5. And like always, we're just going to fold it in half. So let's just do that. Then we're going to go ahead and add, I have a piece of blueberry bushel, and this one is 5 1/4, and 5 1/4 by 4. Okay, yeah, 4 by 5 1/4. And so this one is 3 3/4. Yes, by 5. Okay, as always, I have 1/4 of an inch smaller to do my mats. Okay, that way I have a nice frame around it. Now I did punch out already the 2 1/4 circle out of my base, because I'm going to be covering it. So I think I shared this on every single video, but it's true. I think like I save a lot of paper that way. So now I'm going to be using snail. Now this is Design Series paper. It's part of the garden impressions, and I'll show it to you in a second. But it's that paper that comes in a 6 by 6, and so we're gonna go ahead and glue this one. All right. We're gonna go ahead and put it like so. That way I have a nice border around it. Okay. And let me just show you the pack. This is that pack. So this is the one that has all those nice flowers, and on the other side you can see that it's more of a background. A nice background. So anyway, so here it is. Now I'm gonna put the like I said, I had already die cut these, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one here. We're gonna go ahead and glue the circle, and again, this is the 2 1/4 circle, and it fits. It covers the whole circle here. You see that? So I'm gonna put it like so. And I had already cut a piece of a 2-inch circle out of Whisper White. And here's where I'm going to be putting this hello from that stamp set. I have the blueberry bushel, which is one of our ink colors. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one. Remember, you just tap, tap, tap. And then we're going to put it right in the center. And you just press firmly, but do not rock it. And voila. Alright, now to close it, like I said, when they're new, they're tight. But as you use them, they stay a little bit, they start getting a little bit looser. So at the very beginning, it's going to be kind of, what was I going to say? Kind of tighter. Now for the design of this, I haven't glued because I'm still debating whether I want my flowers here, but I think like, we don't want to, ooh, maybe I like it that way. No, I think I do like it like so. I think I'm going to put it like so. And I'm going to be putting those flowers here. I think I want that one here. Yes, I think I like this one here, and I'm going to be putting here. Okay, so let's just, yes. Now, I did, like you saw, I did cut already several of these, because I didn't know if I wanted to have this in the same color or go with the lighter, with the soft stiff. And I didn't say, but this is Tranquil Tide. See, I feel like if I put this one, maybe, you know what? Maybe what I do is I put this one like on this side, you know? So, no, it looks like little horns, so I don't like that. So I'm gonna go then with probably this and that, and I'll add this one here. Yeah, I think I like that. So I'm gonna go with the same color. All right, so now that I know what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting dimensionals here. Let me get my dimensionals. And I'm almost out of dimensionals, so I might need to open a new packet. I'm just gonna go with 3 for right now since I'm running out of dimensionals. Before I open the new one, let me get a trash can here. So I'm gonna be putting this one, goes like so. All right. Now for this one, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting them like that. So I need to put a glue dot. I'm gonna go with glue dots on these. I feel like it looks better with glue dots. So just grab one. And I'll just put it here. And the same thing here. Oh. All right. And so this one will go here. And I'm going to be putting, I can use that one or this one. No, I think I like this one better. So I'm going to go with this one. Yes, I'm going to put 2 dimensionals. I'm going to use the smaller one here. Give me 1 second here. Yes. Okay. And then I'm going to be putting another dimensional here. And I'll use another small one here on this side. And let's go with this one here. Okay. So I'm gonna have it like so. Now the next thing that I want to add on this is some rhinestones, and let's just pick them up. Okay. Oh, I left the, you have to make sure you pick up the adhesive. I'll put it here. And it seems like these two needs to have the smaller one, so hold on for a second. Oh my goodness, do I have here? Yes, I think I have small ones here. Yes. Oh. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. And then for this section, I'll go ahead and just put a little bit of the snail. I should have glued that section prior to anything else before embellishing, but oh well. It will be fine. Okay. So now that I have that, I was thinking that I should use this one as well. And I'm just doing a little bow here, as you can see. And I'm going to be putting it here, like so. So this will embellish this. Let's just cut it out. And we're going to add a glue dot. And we're going to add it here. And here we go. I want it to be more like a loopy. There we go. I like that better. There we go. So here it is. So this is the card for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget about the ordering incentive that I have during this year. So anytime you place an order using the hostess code of the month, you get the card kit on the month. I'm sorry, a card kit sent to your house for the month, and it will include 4 cards for everything to do. The only thing that I do not include is the stamping, but you can use whatever you have available. But I send you the instructions. Most of the times it's a video, and then you'll have the paper, the design series paper, the embellishments, anything that I used. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, to get the host code, you go to my blog at creatingwithali.com, and every single post will have the host code to use that month. All the card kits are sent the following month because this is a monthly incentive. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. I appreciate all your support as always. Bye.